Hi everyone, this is Hanukkah unboxing. This big old box. So Hanukkah is in the beginning of the month this year. On the 3rd it started, the Jewish holidays start at the night time, not the day. So this is the rest of my Hanukkah present. So I am opening up a Hanukkah present. So this is a bag of makeup brushes, and it's cute. It's rose gold and black. This is Best Oppie makeup brushes. So, and there's some of them that I don't have yet. So this is so awesome. I am excited. Then I got this Neutrogena dermatologist recommended Hydro Boost water gel. So it's supposed to smooth, supple skin all day. So that is really nice, and my skin is always dry, especially in the winter time. So yeah, right now it's a mess up here. So thank you to Arnold for all this goodies for my channel and to use for my makeup tutorials and stuff. And so next is something formula in the nude shimmer strips custom eye enchanting makeup. So this is the whole kit for my eyes. That is so awesome. I can't wait to try this out. The mascara right here, the 2 eyeliners, and a palette. That's awesome. And I got this other palette, LA Girl Eyeshadow Collection Nudes. Can't wait to try this. Looks so gorgeous. I love the packaging for this. I can't wait to review that. Next, I have this really heavy, beautiful. I'm going to have to set this down because this is heavy. And I got 2 more things. I got 2 more things in this box. This is Samtor makeup bag. It's really heavy duty, really good quality. I love the texture of this. It's like some weird plasticky leather. I just like it. And the things are Samtor on them. So the brand names are on them. I'm going to open this up for you to see. So it comes, this is what it looks like, and they're all like organized, so it's really awesome. And it's padded. Here's the belt thingy to hook up. So when I'm traveling, it'll be so easy. So here's what it looks like. It has different compartments. So I really like that. So 3 and 4 up top. That's really awesome. And up here is brush holders. It's really nice that they did this up here, so when the brushes are dirty, it doesn't go on the fabric in this cute little travel case. And up here is a zipper, and it stops right here. Really big, nice size for anything to put up there. I'm not sure what I would put in there, but this is really nice that they did this. It's deep too, so you can fit a lot. And I have way more makeup than this. I'll probably pack it full of makeup. I'll probably like put my stuff in here that they can fit. Okay, next I have these two Amazon luxury beauty boxes. So I'll show this in a different video of what is in each of them. So this will be a video and this will be a video because there's a lot. I sneak peeked what was in this box and what was in these boxes. So, and I'm just gonna open it up so you'll see what it looks like. It looks like a regular, like a Walmart box. And I think these are worth better money wise and stuff, quality and stuff inside, better than a Walmart box. I don't know, but I'll show you in other videos. I just wanted to share what I got from Hanukkah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like to my channels. So I got this Neutrogena. I'm going to open it real quick. So this is a 1.7 ounce Hydro Boost water gel. It smells like fresh. This is what it looks like inside. It's like, oh, it's pouring out. So it's like really easy to pour out. It's really smooth. And it's cooling. Like a gel. So it is a gel. So this is really nice. There is quite a bit. It smells nice and fresh. It's really light and airy. And like, it dissolves pretty good. So this is really nice. Even though it's all over. But yeah. Keep that in there. And these, I got these. Really nude colors. Pinky. Really light colors. I see shimmery and some couple matte. And I cannot wait to dig into this kit. Can't wait to dig into these brushes. This is what it looks like in the back. So, yeah. And these beauty boxes. This really cute makeup travel case. I really like that. This is Sam Tour makeup case. And it is really good quality. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like to my channel. Bye now.